Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Vitara S 2016-66. This vehicle has 18,000 miles, 2 keys, good history, and once leaving Luscombe's will come with a full service and an MOT. I will now give you a quick insight to the specification and the condition of the vehicle. Starting at the front, we have the grey skid plate with chrome and honeycomb style grille, projector headlamps with the red insert to complement the body colour, front parking sensors with daytime running lights and fog lights with the black surrounds. Down the side of the vehicle, to continue the black and chrome theme, we have 17-inch black alloy wheels, all in good condition with good tyres, black side body mouldings, chrome roof rails and rear view mirrors with integrated turn signals, and body coloured door handles with the keyless entry. Moving further on, you can see all the arches have a black surround with the privacy glass on 3 sides. Rear skid plate with parking sensors as well as reversing camera, and body coloured roof spoiler. I've been around and inspected the bodywork, and I'm glad to say there are no dents, scratches or any blemishes in the paintwork. I'll now give you a quick insight to the interior specification. On the driver's door panel, we have electric windows with electric heated folding mirrors. Onto the interior, we have a multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth controls, adaptive cruise control, media functions and paddle shift for your gears. Down on the control panel, we have auto stop start, parking sensor function, radar brake support and hill descent control. We also have automatic wipers and lights. Onto the multimedia system, we have a multimedia screen which features CarPlay, satellite navigation, voice command, DAB radio and Bluetooth audio. Dual climate control, which is front and rear heated screen with aircon, and USB slot with 12 volt charging point to charge your phone. And finally, down in the centre, we have the automatic gear stick with the red stitching and the 4-wheel drive select, which features snow and sports mode as well as differential lock. If we step out just to see the interior, you can see we have a half leather and suede with red stitching to complement the body colour and also the rest of the interior. Height adjustable driver's seat with plenty of legroom in the front and the rear of the vehicle. The rear seats feature ISOFIX points, and in the boot you have a collapsible boot floor to enlarge boot space. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. The vehicle will come with a 12-month MOT and a full service including a 3-month warranty. Thank you for watching.